Hey guys, Flight Sim Jammer here. Just got a new product. Can't wait to check it out. We're going to do a quick little unboxing. Alright, here we go. So this is from Flight Sounds, and it is an adapter to use actual aviation headsets in your sim. And let's check it out. Let's see what's in the box. Doing this one-handed today, so sorry if it's a little jolted around. Okay, there's your cable to hook it up. Looks like a standard like printer cable. And wow, it's a really small looking guy here. Yep. This is the FSX Solo, and they do make the dual as well. And I'm actually going to write them and ask if you can hook up two solos. The nice thing about it is it runs off a USB instead of off using your headphone jack or whatnot. And it's supposed to be 100% plug and play. This one was about 110 bucks, and you know, it was shipping. And the other kind of neat thing is it came from New Zealand. I didn't realize that when I ordered it. So if you're thinking about one, go ahead and order it, and know that it'll just take a little bit to get here. But yeah, hopefully it works as good as they say. We will get it installed in the plane and plug it in and see what it does. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Here's my USB hub. And in the actual plane, this guy is mounted here, so I'll find a way to do that, or I might just two-sided tape it right there. But for now, we'll just hang on to it. So, gonna set the camera down for a second so I can plug this in. Well, my sound stopped going there, so I'm gonna plug this in. Yep, I plugged it in and immediately went to my headphones. So now the only thing that I'm gonna have to figure out is how to isolate it so my sounds still come out and my headphones just bring in the ATC sounds. Oh, there we go. So that's coming out of the actual headphones, and yeah, seems to work pretty good. Alright, I will give it a shot and try to get it mounted, and then we will do a video on it actually working. Alright. Stay tuned for that next video. You guys have a great day, and remember, land safely.